What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. It's Worm Wednesday. Today is the 9th feeding of the Vermihut Plus. So let's check it out. So got a little bit of castings on the lid. Got a worm here. Got a worm here. Oh man, I love sweet potatoes. Look at it. It started to root. That is hilarious. Look at this. Well, it shows you that the worm bin's nice and moist. These weren't even, some of them weren't even in the castings. They were just in the air. That is funny. Well, I'll leave them in there if they keep getting bigger. Maybe they'll make their way out to the garden. Oh, the old sweet potato worm ball. I like it. Oh yes, it was a piece of pumpkin. I was trying to figure out what the skin was. Yeah, there's a couple pieces of the sweet potato. Oh yes, my asparagus. Okay, so just a little bit more bedding. Kind of got a couple neat things here. Had a little to-go container. So I did some microgreens, and then when I went down to my brother's, yeah, they kind of went bad and died off. And now there's a little bit of mold in there. So we'll give it to the worms. What the heck, I'll get my finger right in there. I have a few pieces of cantaloupe. And then my Okinawan sweet potato, which is the purple flesh and the white skin, that I had growing. You can see the purple, that I had growing in the water. Basically, it looked like it started to rot. I cut some of the funk off of it, but you see how it kind of started turning a little brown there as opposed to like the purple. So I figure the worms can try to go after that a little bit. So we'll see how this feeding goes for them. I'll go ahead and add my ground up eggshell. Oh, this is the napkin. There was an apple core. Oh wow, I guess that's just about it of the apple core. Cool. Good worms. Make sure I don't have any stragglers on me. So when I went down to my brother's, I also gave him the worm chow that I normally have up in the kitchen. So this is the worm chow that I normally have down with my other 2 bins. Oh geez, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get them. There we go. Maybe. It's like he's on a slip and slide. There you go, buddy. And then I'll just see how this lower bin's looking. See if I got any worms poking through. No worms poking through there. Looks like there's a worm right here though. Oh, piece of the peace lily that I put in here. Okay, let's see. I did have one poking through the bottom. See if anybody's hiding behind any sheets of paper. Once again, I'm just gonna wipe these corners off. And like I said the last time, they have these little tabs on each corner. So I just make sure that that goes in there, and then I don't want to say it locks it in, but it at least prevents it from hopefully sliding out. And then I make sure that these corners align. Pop that tray back. Very happy again seeing all those worms still in the feeding area. Going ahead, breaking down the sweet potato, breaking down the asparagus, and hopefully they like the purple flesh sweet potato and they get into that pretty quick. If not, they definitely have the cantaloupe for a faster food. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.